All right, today I'm going to be talking about one of these great tools for new construction that I've recently discovered, and I used to, hand sand back in the day. Been around long enough, doing new construction 25 years ago, something like that. Hand sanding, everything was miserable. You go home covered with Bondo dust, covered with spackle dust, primer dust, absolutely miserable. I've been doing new construction on this job now with the Ekasand 3x4 sander attached to the Ekasand or a Uneeda's Vacuum, a HEPA Vac right now. This thing is absolutely made the sanding process simple, easy, dust-free, and I can almost say fun. So no more like physically actively sanding. This thing is absolutely amazing. Been using 1/2-inch open cell sponges, been using a variety of even flat abrasives, Film Tech, have used a little bit of 10mm sponges on it, but the sanding process is super fast. You're probably 10 to 15 times faster sanding, with a mechanical device like this, and even a profile like this, the 3x4 profile. Nothing beats the 3x4 profile. For doing new construction, we've been using it on contoured edges, routed edges, rounded edges, flat surfaces, sanding spackle, sanding Bondo, sanding primer, sanding the closet packs with EcoStorm, 150 grit on the closet packs, sands them super fast and effortless. One of the great things about it is not going home just absolutely covered from dust head to toe. It's virtually almost dust-free when you hook to this vacuum. So I can't stress it enough. If you do new construction, the investment in the vacuum, it's going to be around $1,000. The sander is going to be around $600. $1,600 investment. As soon as you use it, you're going to say that $1,600 is worth every penny of it. It's going to pay for itself on the first job by the amount of time you're going to save from using these dumb little things. But they do have a place. We have used them here and there. Another thing I like about Uneeda's Vacuum is the tool stand. So the tool stand attached to it, I've got all kinds of stuff on here, frog tape, I've got Bondo spackling supplies on it, spackle knives, abrasives. So it's a cool little tool stand where you can always find things that you need, like a putty knife. So those tools are right where you need them, right where you can find them. So it is the Ekasand 3x4 sander, by Uneeda right there. An industrial paddle-driven start-stop sander right here. Easy to hold, low vibration. Absolutely amazing, coupled with their vacuum. It's well worth the investment if you're doing new construction. I use it for cabinet refinishing. I use it for interior repainting of trim, furniture refinishing. One of the most versatile tools you'll ever buy. Kind of like one of the greatest inventions, the hand masker, or another amazing invention, the tough gaff. One of those tools every painter needs.